Hello, everybody. How is the Eagle family? It's Mother Eagle here. I hope you're having a wonderful week. I was just checking in, to see how everyone is progressing. And the topic I thought about today was taking baby steps to where you want to go. I know all of you have a desire. It's a natural desire to progress going forward. But with that desire, you have to take steps. And the time you get the desire to get better, and the person you have to become to implement that desire, they are two different stages, two different people. Yes, same body, but different mindset and different way of doing things. Hi, welcome. Let me know where you're watching from. So the taking of the baby steps is, if you have a desire, figure out at least one thing or two things that you can do immediately to deposit into that desire to move it forward. Even if you're not clear of what to do, just anything random, because what you want is the movement, forward movement. And the more you deposit anything into the desire you want, the more momentum you give it. Allow yourself to make changes as you go. It's like driving a car. I'll use cities in Kampala, in town, from Kampala to Ginger, right? When you're driving your car, all you do on the steering is you change it a little bit, until you get to where you need to go. You don't need to make big changes. So those small changes will lead you into the direction of your desire. But one, you have to know that you have a desire. Two, you have to start putting deposits in that desire, whether it's a mental deposit, whether it's a physical deposit, whether it's a skill you have to learn or a network you need to build. But put steps to where you're trying to go. As part of the building of that desire, as you add steps, sometimes you'll have to take away steps. Supposing you have a desire of going somewhere, doing something, but the team around you is not in support. Guess what you do? You have to excuse yourself from that team, because you want people who have faith, who will see where you want to go and join you on those efforts, you see? So just remember, deposit something, baby steps, into the life you want until you see what you want and enjoy what you want. Believe me, the idea that everyone in the world is struggling is a lie. Many people are enjoying an extremely abundant life, and they are doing it honestly, with integrity, with joy and peace in their hearts. And it can be possible for you, like for many others. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. I was just checking in. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Let's see here.